कमरे में घुसता जैसे हाथी, टेबल बैठा तो फिर गांधी, करते मोटा चार शो का होते दंगे, चलती लाठी। हमने हार से सीखा और सीखों से जीत बना दी, सोना था हराम तभी तो।
The all-new Hero XPulse 210, stronger, sharper, and built for bigger adventures. With its upgraded design and digital console, this machine is ready to take on every trail. That's where the Spartan Shield Premium Screen Protector steps in, keeping your XPulse 210's display crystal clear, scratch-resistant, and adventure-proof. To begin installation, clean the display with the alcohol wipe provided in the kit, making sure to remove all dust, fingerprints, and grime from your ride. Dry the screen completely with the microfiber cloth, then use the dust removal sticker to lift away any remaining fine particles. Now carefully peel off the backing layer from the protector and hold it by the edges. Align it precisely with the XPulse 210's display. Once aligned, gently place it down and press from the center outward. Use the included squeegee to remove any bubbles and settle the protector evenly. Finally, peel off the top film, and your Hero XPulse 210's display is now Spartan protected, ready for the road, the trail, and everything in between.
मैं आया टिका खड़ा जमा, हिला सकता नहीं है कोई, हम हराम करके नींद इनकी मनमानी से सो यार, माने लेनी और